Aisha, hello to you. First of all, was the decision to put Zuma on trial a surprise?
It didn't come as a surprise at all because the National Prosecuting Authority has always said that it has what they called a watertight case against the former president. Now that there's been a judgment today, and it was a unanimous decision by a full bench, a bench consisting of 3 judges made this decision and denied a permanent stay of prosecution, not only for Jacob Zuma, but also for the French arms company Thales. And this now means that the criminal charges or the criminal case against Jacob Zuma will continue next week. And he faces more than a dozen charges, including fraud, corruption, money laundering, and racketeering. And this emanates from a controversial arms deal, a multi-billion rand arms deal. And Thales, as the co-accused, the allegation against Thales is that the company was paying Jacob Zuma at the time making monthly payments to Zuma to stop any investigation into it, and also to secure potential lucrative deals. And that is why this case will now continue, because, as I said, the NPA, the National Prosecuting Authority, has always maintained that it did have a strong case against the former president.
Yeah, and what's been reaction among South Africans? Is Zuma somebody who's really fallen from grace in the eyes of most people, or does he still have support despite these long-standing allegations?
Well, if one just looks at the court case today and compared to the other times when Jacob Zuma appeared in court, he was always able to attract a large numbers of his supporters. Today, there weren't that many people, but people were also, divided on social media, particularly on Twitter, where some of Jacob Zuma's supporters are still maintaining that the cases are trumped up charges against him, and that it is politically motivated. But also, I need to add that not only is Jacob Zuma having to face a criminal court next week, he's also due to again appear before the Zondo Commission of Inquiry next week into state capture.
Aisha Ismail for us there in Cape Town today. Thank you very much for reporting.